Pero nagsisikap sila na mag-Tagalog tulad
Siyempre.
ni Mitch Lozada.
Oh, yeah.
Ano siya, hirap na hirap mag-Tagalog pero sinusubukan niya.
Sinusubukan niya ang pronunciation.
Not only na sinusubukan niya, he is very active sa mga Kuya Rex, sa mga event na pang-Pilipino.
Pang-Pinoy.
Dito sa Las Vegas and sa ibang lugar man.
Yeah.
He is an active Air Force personnel ng ano ba tawag ng Armed Forces of the United States.
Air Force lang.
Ng Air
American
Force.
Air Force.
Yeah. Active siya. Pero talagang he's exerting effort to be part of the community, the Filipino community. Aside from him being part of Open Forum ni Tita Josie, he is going around the community, especially pag may mga events. Last month, Kuya G and Kuya Rex ay nagkaroon ng magandang movement dito sa Las Vegas. Hindi lang sa Las Vegas pero buong mundo actually. But we had the Filipino restaurant week here in Las Vegas, and then also the Filipino Food Month,
Chibugan,
in the whole of April. And ang culmination ng event na ito, Kuya Rex, last month ay itong event sa The Uncommons dito sa may Durango para sa kanilang Bahay Buko. Napag-usapan natin itong Bahay Buko
last week.
Last week. Pero nagpadala si Kuya. Kuya na siya. Kuya Mitch.
Kuya Mitch.
Alamin natin kung anong mga pinadalang report ni Kuya Mitch. Alamin natin ang mga kaganapan o mga naganap dyan sa The Uncommons, dyan po sa Las Vegas.
Chibugan. Bahay Buko.
Culmination ng ating Bahay Buko. Alamin natin kay Kuya Mitch.
Guys, this is Mitch Lozada with PHLV Radio. We're here at Walbert Catsilla's Bahay Buko event with conjunction with the Filipino-American Chamber of Commerce of Greater Nevada. So we're going to have a great time. Check out what's all the businesses that's going on here. Have good food, good company. And with that said, be sure to follow PHLV Radio everywhere you can follow them. This is Mitch Lozada. Anako, what do you know?
Ayos! Bahay Buko, celebrating Filipino flavors. This happened at the Uncommons. Have you been there, Kuya G?
No, I've never been there. Where's that?
Yeah, you have to. This is just across the Durango station.
Oh, it's called the Uncommons?
It's called the Uncommons. Nandun yung Rosita Lee Avenue.
Avenue ni Rosita Lee.
This is at the Rosita Lee Avenue. Right. It's a great new place to hang out. There's lots of places to eat.
Uncommons?
Sarap ng coffee. Yeah, the Uncommons.
The Uncommons.
Yeah, so you gotta be there. Dapat punta tayo doon sa The Uncommons. Yan ang mga bagong hangout ng mga kaibigan natin.
Yes!
Alright. Maraming salamat.